3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom texture or resource pack for Minecraft, allowing you to personalize the game exactly to your liking. To begin, you'll need to exit Minecraft and download a base texture pack, which you can easily find by searching for Minecraft Vanilla Texture Pack on a web browser. Once you locate it on a site like CurseForge, download the latest version and extract it onto your desktop. From there, navigate to the Assets folder and then Minecraft, where you'll find the Textures folder containing all the game's textures. Most of the key textures are found in the block folder. Now you're ready to customize. Open the texture files with a program like Paint, zoom in and start modifying them to fit your vision. You can change the color, details, and style of each block. Once you're satisfied, save your changes and move on to other textures. After editing, compress the textures into a zip file, name it, and add it to Minecraft by dragging it into the resource pack section in the game settings. Once applied, you'll see your custom textures in game, and you can continue editing or adding more changes as you wish.